Come on into my kitchen, you're welcome. This is Meso, baby. And today, Meso is going to show you how to do something in the kitchen that is absolutely amazing. It's gonna be quick, simple, and delicious. So don't you worry your pretty little head, because I'm gonna show you exactly how it goes. Gonna make sure that when you make this, you're gonna be a kitchen rock star in your own house. And what do we have here? Smoked turkey. Yeah, the star of the show. Get a good look. Want you to meet this guy. This is Tom Turkey, Mr. Tom. So I've cleaned up Mr. Tom, got him all clean. He's ready to go. He's so excited. He's been looking forward to this moment. I took out the neck and gizzards that was in the neck cavity, and then sometimes also gizzards and things inside the cavity between the legs. So you check both places and make sure you don't leave anything in there. Get it all clean. I'm using here, my spices are a dash, jerk seasoning. I have two kinds of jerk seasonings because I like them both. I have ground black pepper and some paprika. I have some garlic powder. I also have some Tony Cheshire's Injectable Creole Butter. Yeah, baby, this is an injectable marinade from the inside. I'm going to be using that. I'm also going to be using some kosher salt. And you guys can use these ingredients. You can add to them. You can take from. But Mr. Tom, let's get back to him. He wants the attention now. I've already coated him in some red paprika. He likes this. He likes this coloring. And I'm going to put some dash on him right now. I don't know why this is called dash. It used to be called Mrs. Dash. I don't know what happened to the Mrs. part. Maybe she got a divorce. Anyway, now I'm getting on some of my jerk seasoning. And my second jerk seasoning, and I'm getting this on, and he is feeling good, honey, but he's a little bit nervous, though. Feeling nervous. Hope he doesn't disappoint. I'm telling him everything's going to be all right, Mr. Tom. And I'm putting on my salt. Now, I'm putting a good amount into the cavity because I want to make sure that cavity is salted well because it's a big piece of meat, honey. So now, I'm giving him a massage. I'm telling him to calm down, relax. Everything's going to be okay. These people are going to love you, baby. They're going to love you. You're going to be good. And that's what he cares most about, honey. He wants to please. Now, where's that little belt at? Yeah, I am tucking his little legs right down in his belt, honey, so he can stay put. Then I'm going to get him out onto my smoker. Yeah, here's my Traeger. I'm in love with this big guy. And I'm going to put him in here so he can begin to cook and to smoke. He's going to lay in here and he's going to get his tan, honey. He's going to be all warm and feel real comfortable and cozy good, honey. And I'm going to be smoking him at 240 degrees. All right, so I've got this probe inside of him, which is going to tell me from the outside without opening my hood onto the smoker what temperature his inside is. After 4 hours at 240 degrees, let's go back and check. Let's check him out. So I got this flashlight on him so that we can see him. How is he looking to you? He's looking good to me. Yeah, Mr. Tom, we getting the job done. Don't worry, honey. You coming right along. Yeah, he's still cooking at 240. And I'm going to have to, we'll see how long. I think I'm going to have to cook him a total of 6 hours. Yeah, so here we are 2 hours later. This is a total of 6 hours altogether being smoked. And he's ready to come inside and put on take the center of the stage and put on his show, honey. Look at him. Hey, Mr. Tom, he's looking good, honey. Look how brown and tan and bronze this guy looks. Now, what he's been waiting on is to become the center of the table. Yeah, this may look bad, but it's not. This is what he wants. This is his defining moment, honey. He wants me to show you what he looks like on the inside. Yeah, come on, look at this. We're going to get right into this breast meat, honey. Look at that. He's saying, I'm juicy, I'm juicy, I'm juicy, look at me. So I'm going to get this wing, kind of get it off so that I can be able to easily cut my breast meat. I cut this off and I want to show you just briefly, oh goodness, what this looks like. When it's smoked, the meat takes on a pinkish color. Let me cut this belt, cut him right out of this belt so I can get him free. Yeah, honey, let's get that leg broke back so we can finish the task of cutting this breast. You can see where the injectable butter went right there on the inside. So I'm just making some nice slices. I'm gonna serve this turkey deconstructed. Now that's that injectable butter. Some people don't like seeing that. If you don't, just wipe it off. Look at that. You see this juiciness? You see this? Oh, I gotta taste it. I want you guys to know I'm not playing with you. This is really good, really juicy, and so smoky. So let me tell you, he's telling me to show you the thigh meat and show you the legs. Okay, Mr. Tom, here we go. So let's get that thigh cut away from the drumstick. Loving that drumstick. But anyway, the thighs, they usually have a lot of stuff in them. They have veins and they've got fat and they've got stuff in them that I just won't serve my guests. And that's what he's wanting me to show you. I clean all this up. When you sit down to my table, you don't have to pick through your meat. Meso has already got it cleaned up for you, honey. Just want to show you again. Make sure you know this is not dry. Make sure you know this is succulent. This is juicy. Mr. Tom wants me to show you. He don't get dry. He's juicy and succulent. And he calls it what? Juiculent, baby. I'm going to go ahead and make this plate up, showing you how Mr. Tom looks when he is accompanied by friends, honey. Yeah, look at all these side dishes and what he wants to call accompaniments. Yeah, they're going to accompany him. So I got some tomatoes and some biscuits alongside. I got a pan of dressing that I just didn't serve up yet because I wanted to show you all these vegetables. This is kind of how he wanted me to do it. So yeah, look at here, look at here. Let's get in close. Now you see that breast meat. You see how good and delicious? Now, if I wasn't doing this for you guys, I'd rather have that wing myself. I'd just eat a wing. But because you all are looking, I am going to show you the breast meat and all these beautiful, beautiful side dishes that I have. You can find each one of them on my website too. Yeah, even that good old macaroni. Look how it is glistening and how inviting it is. Now, Mr. Tom wants me to introduce all of the people that are working with him and then show him. Okay, those are turnip greens, and you just saw the green beans, and this is the potato salad, honey. Oh, so good potato salad. And these are asparagus, honey. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Let me start eating. I am ready to start eating. He wants me to keep showcasing, but honey, I am ready to start tasting because I want you guys to know the truth. I want you to know, is it good or not? First thing, I'm going to go in and get some of this macaroni and cheese, and you can see how cheesy good it is. Take a real good look, honey. What do you think? Yep, it's good. It's good. I already knew it was, but it's good. Now this asparagus, so good. It's a little bit crunchy. I have sauteed this asparagus in olive oil and butter, baby, and garlic, honey. It is so good. Got a little bit of a snap to it. Yes. Now, Mr. Tom, are you ready? It's your grand appearance, honey. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Don't it good, honey? Now some potato salad. Look, y'all. Would you put this on your table? Could you serve this to your family? Tell me yes or no. Which one? And now the turnip greens. Ooh, so good. Come on. Good. Look at my green beans here. Now these are also sauteed, and they have the same thing as the asparagus. They have garlic, and they have been cooked in olive oil and butter. So good. What do y'all think about this? What would happen if you served this to your family? I bet they'd hug you and kiss you. They'd think you were a kitchen rock star, baby. I want to thank you guys for coming by, checking on me today to see what I was doing. Now, you knew that I'd be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. You guys that are already subscribed to me, I want to thank you and tell you how much I appreciate you. You guys that are not, I want you to hit that red subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, and that way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. I want you to give me a big old thumbs up. That helps me. I want you to share my videos wherever you're active on social media and leave me a comment because I love interacting with you. Tell me how your recipes went when you tried them. Guys, I'm on Instagram, and I am on TikTok, and I'm on Pinterest, and everywhere I'm Meso making it. I am also on Facebook, where I want you to go by, and when you try my recipes, I want you to upload me a picture over on Facebook so I can see how you're coming along. How did yours look? How did it turn out? Did it look as good as mine, or did it look better? I want you to do that for me. On all these platforms, please go by and support me, show me some love, and help me over there. I want to thank you guys for viewing my video today. I hope it helped you. I hope it helped somebody. I hope I can share some love. Now, what I want you to do is go out, show some kindness to somebody. Yeah, that's right. And then find somebody that you can show your love by sharing your food. That's right. Bye-bye, y'all.